Hello everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi Aruna, Sarita and Ramesh.
Hi, ma'am.
Good. Right. So you are here to learn something today regarding English language. Okay. Ramesh, you are from a village, I believe. Are you from an agricultural family? Okay. So, do you know what farmers do? Right? Can you tell me a few sentences? What do farmers do?
Almost every morning wake up
Okay.
5 a.m. in the morning.
Farmers wake up early in the morning. Good.
He went to gardening to trees, lemon trees.
They go to fields. Right. They go to fields. Right. Aruna, do you know what do they do?
They wake up early every morning
Uh-huh.
and they go to field and they
Right.
do their work regularly.
Uh huh. So, Sarita, what are the works involved in farming?
The main crops are tomato, carrot.
Okay, they grow vegetables. Okay, some farmers grow vegetables. Some they grow paddy, that is rice or wheat, sugarcane, whatever it is. Okay, good. So we say that farmers wake up right early, right? They go to their fields, right? They grow crops. Good. So, in growing the crops, do you know what different actions you can highlight?
Wake up, go, grow.
Okay, here that's good. Right. Okay. And what are the other ones? Do you say that they plow the field? They plow the fields, right? They sow the seeds. Sow the seeds, right? They remove the weeds. Weeds. Weeds are the extra plants which grow in those vegetable or rice or whatever they are. Okay, they water the
Plants, field.
good, water the fields. They water the fields, good. Then once the crop is ready, they reap. Right, they reap the crop. Thus, they harvest the crops. Good. So, are we speaking about one farmer or many farmers?
One farm. Normally farmers.
Normally farmers. We are speaking about farmers normally. In the place of farmers, if you write a farmer, then do we say the same sentences? A farmer wake up early.
Farmers wakes up early.
Wakes up early. Okay, right. Then he
He goes to
goes to their fields.
Initially adding
Then
of yes.
excellent. He
grows.
grows and he plows. Then he sows. Then
He removes.
And he
waters the field.
And he
He
reaps. Thus he
Harvests.
harvests. Do you know why do we use that SRES here when we change a farmers to a farmer?
Singular.
So either this is singular or plural. All these actions are routine actions of these farmers. Routine only, regular or routine actions of the farmers. So for the routine or regular actions of the farmers, we use the words in their base form, right? Base form, or for singulars we use in their S addition, right. So, when you say this is V1, we call it as Vs. So, this V1 or Vs we use for only regular or routine actions. That is what we call as simple present tense. Speaking about the regular or routine actions only, we call as simple present. In a nutshell, to say, in brief, right? Do you understand this now? So, you have understood how we use the action words to speak the regular or routine actions in simple present tense, right? So, our topic is simple present tense today. Then when we deal with this simple present tense, we just go with I, we, you and they come under one category. They indicate all plurals. Okay. And he, she, it and all third person singulars. That means all singular names, right? All singular names we use samadha. So, in this case, when we deal with the simple present, do forms, we use do forms here and we use a word called have, and we also use for I we use am, and for we, you and they we use are. So, we call them as do forms, actions, they indicate actions. And when we use have here, this speaks about possession, right. These speak about position or condition or status. This you learnt in your verb forms under parts of speech, right. Do form, have form, be forms. Be forms am or only we use with this. In addition to that, we are adding a V1 here. This V1 is nothing but our action word. Action word, right. Then for he, she, it, yes. In the place of do we use does. In the place of have we use has. In the place of am and or we use is. So, we can make sentences with does, with has, with is and vs for this he, she, it and all singulars, right. So, with that Sarita, you know doctors. Can you tell me a few regular actions of a doctor?
Doctor is
Okay, good,
patient.
right. A doctor treats patients, right, okay, patients.
They
Right,
prescribe
doctor.
medicines.
Very good. He
He prescribes
prescribes
medicines.
medicines, right. Okay. Ramesh, what does a doctor wear?
Doctors wear a apron.
Apron, white apron. Okay, good. He wears a white apron. Right. Wears a white apron. Okay. Where does he work, Sarita, usually? Where does he go to?
Hospital.
Yes, he goes to, he or she, right. We have lady doctors also, right, okay. So, he goes to hospital, right, good. So, in all the days when he does all these things, if he is a surgeon also, Does he perform operations?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, if he needs some more diagnosis, then does he prescribe any tests
Yes. Yes.
to be done? Right, okay. And if he, when he works in the hospital, does he look after the patients who are in the hospital? Means does he go to the wards to check the inpatients? Right. So when I am asking you the questions, I start the question with does, because we are dealing with the singulars. Does he prescribe any tests? Right. Does he suggest, does he just suggest the diet also? Right. Sometimes he suggests the diet. Okay. But does he does he design a building? Does the doctor design a building? He doesn't. Then who designs the buildings?
Architecture
Architect.
designs the
Okay.
building.
So a doctor doesn't, right? A doctor doesn't. This is the short form of does and not, right? Does plus not, we are using a short form. So he doesn't design buildings, right? So a negative we are using. He doesn't design. Does he write the case sheet?
No, ma'am.
Does a doctor write, or nurses
nurse
and
write the,
Good.
right.
So a nurse prepares the case sheet of the patient, but not the doctor, right? But not the doctor. Good. And so as when we do it for this I, then I play chess. Then we learn that these are used for only regular and repeated actions. So I play chess every evening or regularly, right? Regularly. I don't play, because I am not play is wrong, Ramesh, because this is an action. So actions don't take this am. Actions always take this either do or does, depending on V1 or Vs, right? And now what are the other time phrases, means adverbs of time we use for simple present? Always, generally, normally, regularly, often, right? Usually, sometimes, every day, every year, etc. Now, where else do we use this present tense? The earth revolves round the sun. What is it?
Universal truth.
Very good. This is a universal truth. So, a universal truth. So, for universal truths, we use this
Simple present.
simple present. Then, he has milk at breakfast. What is it?
Habitual.
Excellent. A habit. So, for habitual actions also, we use simple present. Good. Sachin hits a 6. Or Dhoni catches a ball. What are these?
Present
When the
action.
present actions only,
Present.
but what? Where do you hear them? Where do you listen to such commentaries, cricket or football commentaries, right? Then India wins the test. So after winning the test also, why do you find this India wins the test in the news headlines? Right? Have you observed the newspaper? It usually it is in simple present. So as a rule, news headlines also in simple present. Right? Okay, good. Then our actual regular or routine actions. So apart from these regular and routine actions, not only this, supposing you say, make hay while the sun shines. Look before you leap. What are they? Have you ever observed slow and steady wins the race? They are called proverbs. So proverbs are quotations or quotes. For example, Swami Vivekananda's quote also. Okay? Strength is life, weakness is death. So whenever you quote that, it is in simple present tense only. So universal truths. Okay. Along with universal truths, we also can make general facts. Bees make honey. So this is a general fact, right? Universal truths, general facts, habitual actions, commentaries, announcements and commentaries, news headlines, regular and routine actions, and proverbs as well as quotations, right? In these cases we use the simple present tense. Now, what else do we use? Where else? Check this sentence out. The Bangalore Express arrives at 5 p.m. Now it is afternoon 2 o'clock if you think so. At 5 o'clock it arrives also. They say it arrives at 5 p.m. So the Bangalore Express arrives at 5 p.m.
Future actions.
Yes, excellent Ramesh. So actually this is a future, but they are already fixed, right? Future actions which are fixed or scheduled, right? They are timetabled actions. So arrival of trains, buses and flights, these all we say that they are in simple present. Any officially fixed actions also, right? When do schools reopen? Right. If it is May also, and we know that schools reopen in June, that is a future, but as it is a fixed one, when do schools reopen? Let's see, look at this schools plural, that's why we are using do. When do schools reopen? Right. Not only these few examples, there are plenty of examples which we can deal with simple present tense. And with conditionals also we use, like supposing you are telling somebody else, like if you work hard, as Sarita said, if you work hard,
You will
You
get good marks.
will get good marks. Then what do you say? Work hard. So, if after you are using present tense, though there is a future tense in the next sentence, we are using a present tense here. So, with conditionals, we use present form. If you work hard. So, here the mistake is done like this. If you will work hard. Right. You will succeed or you will get good marks. No, this is wrong. We should use only work. Similarly, there are mistakes which you make in this simple present is people who study in convents also, they often tend to make mistakes in this simple present tense. Right, it is the effect of mother tongue, or it is the influence of mother tongue or other languages. So we get, I will eat, okay, I will eat bread at breakfast usually. When you say usually, you shouldn't say this I will eat. Only you should say I eat. I eat. This is one condition. Next, he is visiting temples every weekend.
He
Some-
visits.
Yes. Good. Yes, Aruna.
He visits temple,
Right.
right?
What they say is he is visiting a temple every week. So when every week is there, you shouldn't say he is visiting. But in Telugu or other languages, when you say he is visiting means it's happening. So the same is applied here also, and people think that he is visiting a temple every week is correct. No, he visits. Because he is visiting is only a temporary action, right? Not every week. When every week is there, it is visits, not visiting. Take
If there
some
is
more.
no every
Yes,
week,
please.
he is visiting temple is
He is visiting a temple now. Only a temporary time if you mention, then you can use that he is visiting, but not everywhere. Okay. And similarly, using does with plurals, using do with singulars, those are also some errors. Let's look into some more. Like Ramesh, look at this sentence. If any correction is needed, do it. I doesn't like chocolates.
I don't.
Means I don't like. So I after doesn't is wrong. Okay. Sarita, look at this sentence. She doesn't goes by bus.
He doesn't
Go by bus. So after doesn't, go is correct, not goes. So when you use these expanded forms of do and does, you must use only a V1. In positive sentences, this do plus V1 becomes a V1 in answer. In positive sentences, this does plus V1 becomes a VS in the answers. That's why when you expand do and V1 only, you must use do plus go, does plus eat, like that. Then in answers, he go or goes, eat or eats, make or makes, like this. And there are plenty of actions with which you can make hundreds of sentences using simple present. So what we have looked into that, what does a person, okay, a person's, for example, a profession. If he is in a profession, what does he do, right? And what do they do, right? What do you usually do in the week, during weekdays or at the weekend? So these all you can make into number of sentences. So you work on this simple present tense and collect a few sentences randomly, positives, negatives, questions, like that. WH questions also. How often? Maximum you can make out the questions with how often. How often do you visit your native place? Right? Like that, collect a few sentences and get them to next class. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.